Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be about this brown smoky copper makeup look. I have already primed my eyes with the MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC20, and I will use two palettes in this tutorial. The first one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, and I'm going in with the shade Fudge. I will blend this in my crease with a fluffy blending brush. After that I'm going in with the shade All Star. It's a dark burgundy shade and I want to make the crease darker, so I will focus on my crease, and most important for every look, keep on blending. Blend the two shades together with your first brush and the first shade, Fudge. I will cut the crease with the same concealer as I used for my base on my eye, and I will start above my natural crease because I have a hooded eye, and I'm using the Real Techniques detailer brush. I will use the shade Adorn on the outer part and inner part of my lid, and the middle of my lid will be filled in with another shade. Now I'm going in with this rose shimmery shade from the Morphe 35F palette, and I will apply this on the middle part of my eyelid with the detailer brush from Zoeva. Make the outer V and your crease darker with the shade All Star to blend the colors together. And blend the outer edges with Fudge and the fluffy blending brush. I will apply eyeliner, and I will use the Essence Super Precise Eyeliner. And I will apply this lashes out front of camera. And I will highlight my inner corner with the shade Cube, and I will make the lower lash line darker with All Star and Fudge. And some mascara for my lashes and my bottom lashes. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you by my next video. Bye guys!